Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a Gmail account from your Android device. Okay, so I'm gonna show you two methods how to do it. So let's start with the first method. Using the first method, go to Gmail, find this app if you already have it installed on your phone. So as you can see here right now, I'm signed in from one of my Gmail account. So from here, you're gonna have to press where is your profile picture is on the right corner of your phone. I'm gonna press here. From here, you got all your Gmail account, okay? From here, you click manage account on this device. From here, you select the Gmail account you want remove from your Android device. So I'm gonna select this one. As you can see here, they say remove account. So I'm gonna press remove account. So they're gonna ask you if you want to remove this Gmail account. You press remove account. And it's done. Okay, as you can see, it's no longer here. So this is the first method. So now I'm going to show you the second method, how to remove a Gmail account from your Android device. And it's have done. Okay, so this is how you remove a Gmail account from an Android device. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Ciao.